There are 27 girls and 38 boys in a class. So find the sum and estimate the sum to its nearest tens place. Okay. So this is exercise number 2.1. The problems we are going to see. So there are 27 girls and 38 boys in the class. So you have to find the sum. Sum means you have to add and estimate the sum to its nearest tens place. So number of boys you can write. Number of girls. Actual first எழுதிக்கோங்க மேலே actual and here estimate. So actual எத்தனை இருக்காங்க? Actual is 27 girls. Number of boys. Number of boys. How many boys are there? 38 boys. So இதை நம்ம add பண்ணணும். Estimate இங்கே போடுங்க. So 27 is the actual children. So 5க்கு மேலே இருக்கிறே அந்த 7 அப்போ 27 estimation you can write 30. And then 38 இதுவும் 5க்கு மேலே இருக்கிறே 38 அப்போனா estimation is 40. So what they ask you to find the sum and estimate to the nearest tens place. So இது ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணாக்கா we get 70. இது ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணாக்கா 65. So இது ரெண்டையும் add you'll get 70 is the answer. Can it understand children? So இதை மட்டும் ஆட் பண்ணுங்க. இன்னும் அவங்க வந்து எஸ்டிமேட்டை தான் ஆட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஃபைண்ட் த சம் அண்ட் எஸ்டிமேட் த நியரஸ்ட் டென்ஸ். You have to write the sum also. There are 27 girls and 38 boys in your class. Find the sum and estimate. Find the sum and estimate. Okay. So sum naka estimate. Find the sum and estimate. So add panniti estimate pannaka we'll get the answer 70. Okay. The next one is if the cost of the geometry box is rupees 53. Cost of a notebook is 36. Then estimate the cost to the nearest tens place and find the sum. So you have to write cost of a geometry box. So cost of a geometry box means one geometry box potkongle. One geometry box. That is equal to எவ்வளோ இருக்குது? Actual இது வந்து estimate. So actual வந்து how much is the geometry boxes? Rupees 53. Estimation is rupees 50. 5க்கு கீழே இருக்குது இல்லையா? So you put 50. So geometry box that is equal to then cost of how many box they are having? 36 and cost of geometry box geometry box and cost of notebook. One notebook, that is notebook is same only, that is equal to rupees 36. இது வந்து actual amount. அப்போ estimated என்ன வரும்? இது 5க்கு மேலே இருந்தால் you have to make it to the nearest cent, that is 40. So what they are asking, find the estimate the cost of the nearest tens place and find the sum and also find the differences. So ரெண்டையுமே estimation போட்டு actual and estimate value you have to find out both. So 6 plus 3 is 9, 5 plus 3 is 8 actual. Estimation வந்து எவ்வளோ? 0 plus 0 and 5 plus 4 is 9. So this is rupees 90 and this is rupees 89. Okay. So find the difference. So difference is, so find the difference கேட்டிருக்காங்க இல்லையா? So difference is equal to rupees 90 minus 89. So 90 89 minus பண்ணா the answer is rupees 1. Then fourth sum, if Kavita has 93 pictures and she gave 42 pictures, so she gave naka you have to minus. So she has 93 pictures and gave 42 pictures to her friend Leela. Then estimate the picture to its nearest tens place and find the difference. And also find the difference between the actual value and the estimated value. So how to write the statement now? The fourth sum is picture Kavita has. Picture Kavita has is equal to how many pictures she is having? You can write actual and estimated. So actual is 93 pictures. Estimation is 90. Picture Kavita gave. Picture Kavita gave. So எவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? That is equal to 42 she gave. 42, that is 40. So we have to minus only because they ask the difference. Okay, so that is equal to, this is 51 and this is 50. And we have to find out the difference also between the actual value and the estimated value. Difference between actual and estimated is, that is equal to 51 minus 50, that is equal to 1. Then fifth one, the cost of a pen is rupees 32. So one pen, a pen means one pen, only one pen is rupees 52. So cost of a pen. Find the cost of 6 pens. So this is to multiply. So fifth one, cost of a pen. It is one pen. That is equal to rupees 32. Okay. Then cost of 5 pens. A pen means 1 and some. Cost of 5 pens. That is equal to 32 into 5 pence or 6 pence? 6 pence, I'm sorry. 6 pence. So into 6, that is equal to 6. 2s are 12. 18 plus 1, 19. That is equal to rupees 192 rupees. So what they are asking, estimate it to the nearest tens place. So nearest tens, that is 192. That is equal to 190. Okay. Then sixth sum. Harun has 47 rupees and Raja has 54 rupees. Find the sum and estimate to its nearest hundreds place. So you have to write the statement. Money Harun has. Money Harun has. எவ்வளோ இருக்குது? Rupees 47. 47 rupees. Money Raja has. Is equal to rupees 54. So sum, find the sum. So total is equal to, so put the add sign, you will get 7 plus 4, 11, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. So that is equal to rupees 101 is the total amount we got. This is the sum. Okay. So sum is equal to, okay, you put the sum. So அவங்க வந்து நியரஸ்ட் 100க்கு சேஞ்ச் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ சம் இஸ் 101 வந்து that is equal to 100. This is the answer. Find the sum to the nearest 100. Then there are 21 chocolate bars in a packet. Find the number of chocolate bars in 9 such packets and estimate to the nearest hundreds place. So how many bars of chocolate is there? There are 21 chocolate bars in one packet. Number of chocolate bars. Okay. Number of chocolate bars. Chocolate bars in one packet. How many chocolate bars are there? That is equal to 21. Number of chocolate bars. How many packets? In 9 packets. that is equal to 21 into 9, 189. So they asked to write in nearest hundreds place. So nearest hundreds place is equal to 189, that is 200. Okay, this is the answer. Nearest hundreds place. This is also nearest 100. And then 8th sum, 132 peanut candies shared equally with 12 students. Find the share for one student and estimate to the nearest tens place. So you have to see whether it is a nearest tens place or a nearest hundreds place, you have to see. So 132 peanut candies வந்து 12 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஈக்குவலாக டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா தட் இஸ் யூ ஹேவ் டு டிவைட். ஸோ இன் திஸ் சம்ஸ் யூ ஹேவ் டு சி சம்னாக்கா யூ ஹேவ் டு ஆட் பண்ணணும், டிஃபரன்ஸ்னா மைனஸ், அண்ட் தென் equally shared means you have to divide. So this one, so how to write number of peanut candies. How many candies are there? That is equal to 132. Then number of students. How many students are there? That is equal to 12. So number of candies, one student get. That is equal to 132. ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு உண்டான கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா you have to divide by 12. So 132 12 இந்த ரஃப் காலம் மாதிரி போட்டு டிவைட் பண்ணுங்க. 12 ones are 12. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 12 ones are 12. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So how many students they got it? So number of students is, for one student, for each student they will get how many candies? 11 candies. So nearest to tens in varumbodhu you have to write 11 is, that is 10. Nearest to 10 is 10. So answer is 10. Okay. So that's also done. This is the 8 problems. So go through this problem. Our actual kekrangla estimated. Which one they ask you to subtract or add or minus, whatever multiplication, whatever they are asking, you have to do it properly. So if it is a divide means you have to divide. If it is a minus means you have to minus. So if they ask the differences, you have to minus from the actual value, estimated value from the actual value. Okay, that's also that. We will see in the next class. Thank you.